Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this tasty, delicious keema bell pepper recipe. Add 1 cup of oil, add onions and cook until light brown. After 3 minutes, add ginger garlic paste and mix well. And cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add diced green chilies and mix well. And cook until it melts. For spices, I have 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon coriander and cumin seed powder, and 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. Add the spices, mix well, and add water so the spices don't burn. Cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add half kg chicken keema and mix well. Cook for 10 minutes. Add 300 grams of bell peppers and mix well. Cook for 5 minutes. Cook with the lid on. After 5 minutes, stir the salad. After 10 minutes, it is like this. I'm now going to cook this until all the water evaporates. Add chopped coriander and mix well. My salad is ready, so I'm going to dish it out. I've dished it out and it looks really beautiful and it has very bright colors. Now all that's left to do is for you to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and thanks for watching.